or as I like to call it, the Candy Factory. Today is a very exciting video. As most of you know, I recently got a new GHD gold, and this is the Saharan Gold limited edition GHD. Isn't it just beautiful? Today I'm going to show you, my dear friends, how to curl your hair 3 different ways by only using a GHD. That is possible, including this beautiful wavy style that I've got going on today. So if you want to learn how to do that, make sure that you stay tuned. And also I'm going to link my other GHD video up here so you can go and watch that, where I also show you some different styles and talk about the new GHD. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So of course we are going to start with some crazy hair that's just been washed and air dried, and I'm just going to brush through it, and then I'm going to create my parting where I would like it to be and just divide the rest of my hair all the way back. So I basically have 2 big sections, and then I'm going to start off by sectioning those into smaller sections. Now you can grab your beautiful GHD gold styler, and I start by brushing out the first section that I want to do, and then I'm going to straighten about 15 centimeter close to the root area before moving to the curling part. For the rest of the strands, I'm going to clamp it, twist my GHD at 180 degrees, flip over the hair, and then just pull the GHD down and sort of away from the face to create a nice beautiful wave. So you are basically going to repeat this step until you finished all the hair. The only difference is that on the right side you'll curl to the right to curl away from the face. On the left side you'll curl to the left to curl away from the face. And you'll do that until you are done with all your hair. So I'm going to fast forward now so we can get to the end result. When you get to the top sections, you can kind of start curling earlier if you want to, or straighten a little less closer to the root area, but it's really up to you. And my bangs, I kind of just like curl backwards and not put too much of a wave in them because I want it to be a bit more softer. Once you are done, you can start combing through the hair with your fingers and shaking out the waves, and this method will leave you with beautiful voluminous styled waves. Okay, so this is second day hair, which you can obviously comb out from the previous style and just kind of wear it like that, but we are going to create some serious curls, so let's jump straight into the second method. Once again, create your parting where you would like it, and then divide a hair into 2 big sections where you will also once again start sectioning smaller pieces to curl. So with this method, we are going to clamp from the root area, start twisting the straightener at 180 degrees, twist another 180 degrees, and then pull the straightener through the rest of the strand, and this is going to give us a lovely Goldilocks curl. So just keep your curl nice and tight so it can cool down like that. As we always do, we are going to style it closer to the end, and here I'm just repeating the same step with every strand. Same rule applies, so on the left side you curl left, and on the right side you curl right to make sure that the curls are away from the face. If you like your curls to face inward, then on the left side you curl right, and on the right side you curl left. So once again, we're gonna fast forward so we can get to the end result. Ooh girl, don't you just wish you could do that in real life? So now we have some crazy bombshell curls. Time to shake them out, comb through them with your fingers, and start styling them until you're happy with the way they look. Another variation of this look that you can do either on the day or the next day is just brush out all the curls and take it back into a ponytail, but still keeping your parting. And then once you've
tied your hair back, you can pull out some of the hair at the back just to give it some volume. Then I like taking a strand of hair and covering my elastic, and this is just really going to give you a cute curly ponytail, which is perfect for third day hair. Okay, now moving on to our third way to curl your hair with your GHD styler. Once again, I'm parting the hair into two big sections and then starting off with smaller sections. And this method, I'm going to show you how to create like a kinky wave, which is super quick to do, especially if you're in a hurry. So we start off by brushing out the strand, and with your GHD Gold styler, you basically want to clamp the hair by the root, twist it one side about 180 degrees, then twist it the other way, and then pull it down, twist it the other way again, pull it down, twist it a little bit again, and pull it down. So this way it's curling the hair in opposite directions, piece by piece, and it's going to give you like a beautiful kinky wave. So let's go through that again, and then I'll add my little screenshot notes. As always, when we're done, we start combing it out with our fingers. You can also use a wide tooth comb, but fingers just work so great for combing through the hair and styling it and positioning it where you would like it to be. This is my favorite style of all three because it's so quick to do and it's messy. You can add some salt spray and it looks beachy. So yeah, that's it.
So that is it for the 3 ways to curl your hair using only a GHD. It's really easy. As you can see, it's not like you have to be really good with hair. You just have to have your hand placement right. And as you can see, most of the time I don't even do proper sections. I kind of just like take pieces, as most of us do when we just try and do our own hair. So I hope that you guys learned something. Please let me know in the comment section down below which one of the 3 was your favorite. But until next time, you guys know, stay sweet. I will talk to you soon. Bye.